Hey everyone, okay, I just wanted to show you some video proof of my online sales this year. Mind you, as of this recording, we're in March of 2017. I'm going to show you some video proof of my sales from January to February of 2017. Now, what you're looking at is pretty much an overview of my shipments, and it does not include some of my fulfillment. That's actually my shipments that's being fulfilled by Amazon. So this is only the items that I've actually personally, my company Tri7 Entertainment, have personally shipped out. Okay, from January 1st, as you can see up top there, through February 28th. And our total sales, well, I have about maybe 10 stores, probably a little bit more. There's some stores that I'm working on. But the figure that you see, 39,362, is coming from about maybe four, possibly five of my top stores. So as you can see, we've made 39,000 in 2 months. The second figure there would be one of my new stores that I've actually just started about maybe 5 months ago. That's just now starting to generate income. That's 3408. Some other little smaller stores that I'm working on. Some of these stores actually take a little time to build. 941, 81, and then $56 within that 2 month span. Now that brings a total of $43,848 in sales. Okay, now divide that by two. So my monthly total sales averages out 21,924. So that's almost $22,000 per month there, and we're actually still going strong this month, in the month of March. So now if you multiply, just say on average 21,924, multiply that by 12, you'll have about 200, or exactly $263,088. Now that's not a bad income there in sales. Now some people ask me, oh, well, how much are you getting? That's sales, but how much are you netting? We'll discuss that a little bit later on, but I can tell you one thing: my net is not too far off. There are some things that, things that I pay for and different things like that, but my net is not. I try to keep my overhead very low, so my net is not very very far off from that, and we'll get into that a little bit later on. But I just wanted to show you, you can do very well with this type of income, doing this from home. And so this is why I was saying that if you're trying to do this part time, I mean, imagine 21,000 or almost 22,000 in sales. This is like I'm doing this full time, and I'm actually just getting started. So you can do this part time, and 3, 4, $5,000 a month, maybe 7 or 8 coming in for you doing this. That's easy. So this is why I'm saying, if I'm averaging 22 and I'm doing this full time, and I am actually, probably, I've been doing this for about 2 years now, but just now really starting to take off in the last 6 months. If I'm doing this now, then it should be no problem for you to do this part-time or full-time as well. But anyway, coming up next, I want you to take a look at this video where I show you live how you can actually make this type of money. I actually showed this on my Facebook page, and this is what started this whole this online academy that I have right now because of my Facebook friends. I was just sharing it with my friends, and I was excited because I'm like, you guys can do this too. And next thing you know, people were like, teach me. And so this is the reason why I started Shavar Ross Academy, for this very reason, to help other people such as yourself to be able to bring in this type of income right at home online. So we're going to move on. I want you to check out this video, and then after that, we'll go into the next section. Okay, hope you learned something. Hey everybody, okay, here's my proof here. I was telling you how you can make 15,000 plus dollars with an online retail business in 30 days. You see these figures right here? So this is no joke. I just wanted to show you guys that it can actually be done. As you can see, there's 51 units here today. Okay, this is what has been earned through sales. 7 days. That's the earnings there. This is how many products that were sold. Here, 15 days, 30 days. Okay, that's 12. This is just from one of my main stores here, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do this. This is my current balance. This is the date. Hold on. Where's the date? December 30th. That was dispersed to your bank account ending in 7895 on December 30th. That's how much I put in there. Balance, what is owed to me right here. So you guys see that, right? So you see here, just in 30 days, we are at 12.7. This is just one account, okay? This is unshipped. This is stuff that I'm still working on right now. You see where it says unshipped? 16 products right now, currently. Here is pending. This is what's getting ready to come as far as the products, okay? Here, let me see. This is Amazon. Okay, I can show you how to do this very easily on Amazon. This is some of the products. This is why you guys see me always at the post office. This is one site here, okay? Just some of you gonna laugh. Okay, y'all can laugh, but let me show you one of the things that I sell. I didn't plan on doing all this. My lovely cow photo. I took this, Tito, get me some tissue. I took this photo in Lancaster, California, near the Mojave Desert of these beautiful cows. And I had it stuck in my hard drive for so many years. And no one cared about them but me. And I put this, oh, those are my dogs in the back. And then, downstairs. And then, so this is on Amazon. You see, oh, I have a 1-star rating. Look at this, it's terrible. But I do still sell them. Only 4 left in stock. You see, and then you see the company. So by Tricep Entertainment, okay? And I don't even ship these. So I don't, when I'm at the post office, I'm actually not shipping this. You see where it says sold by, but who ships it? Fulfilled by Amazon. So these are some of the things that are literally at Amazon's warehouse. Okay? But somebody was hating on my photo. Look, they gave me a 1-star on that one. Because they said they could have printed it out themselves. Okay, well, yes, you can print out the cow photos yourselves if you want. Okay, let me show you another site real quick. This is from another website, okay? You see where it says, good evening, Shavar. Today's total sales. This is another website. This is another income stream here. And as you can see, what I'm selling, okay, that's just 3 items there. But you see here, this is for today. 1 item needs to be fulfilled, so I'm always constantly online. Today's visitors. And this is what I've made on day 3, right here. Total sales, 22 orders. And today, it says this January 1st, it's only the 3rd. The day today's the 3rd, right? So 560. All right. So this can be done very easily. I have about 10 websites. Okay. Actually, stores, I should say. I can show you a few more. This is from another account from a total of 4 stores here. You see where it says total sales? There's your 15,000 hours right there. And there's, okay, that's the company, and there's my name. So you see that you can actually done. Look, 7 hours ago, it hasn't updated yet. Sometimes I'll refresh it. You may see this go up shortly, but you can see, look, this is the date, December 6th. See how its sales go up and down. This is from about 4 stores. So the reason why I say 15 to 30,000 is because, as you can see here, we're starting to grow. And it's not just because of certain products, but there's a variety of products that we have in the inventory here. So we have 766. So we're starting to average getting close to 1,000. I'm not quite at $1,000 a day yet, but we're getting close to it. I'll show you another thing, another product that I sell. A lot of people don't know this. You see that? Okay, you know who the champs are, right? All right. This is a very simple poster. All right, so you see what I'm doing now? Only how many left in stock. I don't ship these myself. Okay, so this is a secret that I'm showing you right now, how to do this. Okay, guys, so hopefully that's a little bit of proof. Hopefully You know, we'll continue to grow with this. Believe it or not, I'm a baby at this. I've been online for a while. I know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm kind of a new jack at this. But there's some people that are they're making like $200,000 or $300. Excuse me, thousand. I don't even know how to say the whole thing. $200,000 or $300,000 a day doing this. So I'm like a new jack. I'm a baby. All right. So I'll show you how to do this. It's not as hard as you think. But stay tuned. I can't show you too many other videos, but I'll come up with something to where I can teach this. I can show you exactly how this is done. I've only been doing Amazon for probably less than a year, maybe almost a year. I've been a top rated seller on eBay for about a year and a half. So all this is happening very quickly. These sales are coming in and jumping up. You know, and just it's just growing right now. But this is, you know, hey, this is not bad, right? And I'm like at home. Okay, so you can do this part-time as well. You know, it doesn't necessarily have to be 15,000 if you want to make an extra 1,000. You know, you don't have to have a whole bunch of products and all this type of stuff. But as you can see the date right here, right? So you guys believe me? You know I wouldn't lie to you. See, look. 1/3/17. I think this is going to be a great year for a whole bunch of people. All right, guys. See ya.